I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melatonin on mobile. While there isn't an official app for your phone or tablet, you can still enjoy this unique rhythm game on the go. We'll explore the most reliable methods to get you playing, focusing on streaming services that bring the PC experience to your handheld device. One excellent option is GeForce Now. First, download the GeForce Now application from your device's App Store. You'll need to own Melatonin on a supported PC platform like Steam to access it. Then, simply log in to GeForce Now, find the game in your library, and start streaming it directly to your phone or tablet for a seamless experience. This brings your PC game to your mobile screen. Another fantastic way to play is using Steam Link. Download the Steam Link application to your mobile device from its respective app store. Make sure your computer, with Melatonin installed and running Steam, is powered on and connected to the same network as your phone. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to pair your devices, and you'll be streaming your PC game to your mobile in moments. To get the best experience, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is key. This minimizes any input delay. Consider using a Bluetooth game controller for more precise inputs, as touch controls can be challenging for rhythm games. Also, remember that streaming can use significant data, and some services may have subscription costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.